Starting from tomorrow, Thursday, the Ministry of Health will only be providing one COVID-19 update per day. Chief Medical Officer Dr. Roshan Parasram says the update will now be presented in a new, more comprehensive format. This update, he says, will be done at 4 p.m. each day and will include the same information that was previously provided in the Ministry's updates, such as the total number of new cases and deaths, as well as the Grande totals. The number of patients in step-down and quarantine facilities will also be provided, along with the total number of persons in home isolation. Dr. Parasram says the new user-friendly format will also be available on the Ministry's website, where further breakdowns or additional information may be provided. The Health Ministry has taken the decision to decommission the Camp Balandra quarantine facility and the Brooklyn step-down facility in Sangre, Grande. Camp Balandra was initially used for the returning nationals who came from a cruise ship earlier this year. Principal Medical Officer Dr. Miriam Abdul Richards says the ministry has given up 74 beds in total for the decommissioning of these two facilities, but says this was done as a cost-saving measure.
Facilities were being rented, so there was a cost to the Ministry of Health and by extension the government of Trinidad and Tobago. And with time, we were able to use state facilities, for example, facilities that fall under government, such as the University of Trinidad and Tobago and the University of the West Indies.
However, Dr. Abdul Richards says alternatively, over 150 beds have been added to the parallel healthcare system.
And in turn, we have been able to develop 150 spaces at the University of Trinidad and Tobago Valsin campus. So the answer to your question, the decommissioning was based on the reduced immediate need for those 74 beds, and of course the resultant increase in capacity from the facilities, and also as a cost-saving measure moving forward.
The Principal Medical Officer of Health adds that the ministry will provide figures for the cost savings from decommissioning these two facilities at a subsequent media conference.